Once upon a time, in a small village named Little Bloom, lived a speechless man named Timmy. He was a cheerful, kind-hearted man with a dream of seeing the world beyond his village. He lived with his granny, who was the sweetest old lady. She loved Timmy very much, and they were very happy together. One day, Granny fell ill. She became so sick she could not get out of bed. Timmy was very worried. The village doctor said Granny needed a special medicine. But this medicine could only be found in the big city, far away from Little Bloom. Timmy felt very sad. He had never left his village before, and the thought of the big city scared him. But he loved Granny so much. He decided he must go and find the medicine. He packed a small bag, said goodbye to his friends, and set out on his long journey. The road was rough and filled with obstacles. He walked for days, sometimes hungry and tired. There were nights when he wanted to go back, but the thought of his sick granny gave him strength. Finally, after many days, Timmy reached the big city. It was so much bigger and noisier than his little village. He felt scared and lost. But remembering his granny, he asked the people about the medicine. They pointed him to a big building, the city hospital. In the hospital, by motion Timmy, he tried to explain the situation to the doctors. They got him and they touched by his courage. They gave him the special medicine for free and also some food and warm clothes. Timmy thanked them and started his journey back home. He walked for days, but this time he was not afraid. He was happy. He was going to see his granny again. After a long journey, Timmy reached his village. He ran to his granny's house and gave her the medicine. Slowly, with the medicine, Granny began to feel better. Within weeks, she was back to her old self again, cooking and laughing. Timmy was so happy. His adventure had been hard, but it was worth it. He had not only saved his granny, but also experienced the big world outside his village. The neighborhoods and his friends, they celebrated his bravery, and his granny was proud of him. Despite the hardship, there was joy and love at the end.